So here in Texas, insurance companies have figured out ways to stop paying for roofs. When hail strikes the shingle, it knocks the granules off and oftentimes breaks that matting through the back, causing micro fractures throughout the roof. But what we're doing is we're out here on a mission to help. We want you to better understand how roofing works, how the insurance works, and how you can stay ahead of the curve.
I'm Rachel Roos. I live in Plano, Texas. I heard about 24/7 restoration from my neighbor. We had a bad hailstorm and Greg went over to the neighbor's house. He came over here to check on our house and we got to talking and he followed through, did everything great for us, got all the work done right and in a timely manner. He made everything smooth and easy and communicated really well. And I would definitely recommend him to anybody who needs help with their house.
So with each storm, with each year, you need to make sure that one of your largest assets, your home, is protected. If you need any help with that, click the link below, give us a call. We'll set you up with a free consultation and make sure that we help you strategize your exit from the used roof market. My name is Greg, 24/7 Restoration. I look forward to talking with you.